Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this product. The seller did send this to me to review. I absolutely love it. I'm thrilled with it. So this is Earth Breeze Eco Sheets. Okay, let me read you a few things here. No parabens, no phosphates, no bleach, no dyes, no optical brighteners. What you do on here is for a medium load, you'll do a half a sheet. One sheet will be like a large load, so 3/4 of a way full in the washing machine, and then two sheets for like heavily soiled. So I'm thinking like a ton of towels or heavy blankets, things like that. But what's great about this is everything that you need is right here to wash your clothes. No more carrying a big jug around and hurting your back. No more having to pour the liquid out and it dumps everywhere. It gets on your hands. It's just a mess. It's so annoying. This is great for that. The other thing is this is safe for all machines, including HE machines. It's safe for sensitive skin. It's dermatologist tested. I mean, I could go on and on about how great the product is. But I just love the fact that it's fragrance free and that, hey, it's just sheets. You just throw it in the wash. You don't have to worry about the liquid detergent anymore or the pods or any of that stuff. This is so easy to use. And also, if you are traveling, we're big campers. For us, something like this is going to be so much more portable. So that's another bonus as well. But yeah, this is fantastic.